Welcome to you all. Here the question: evaluate integration root over 1 plus cosec x dx. To evaluate this question, first writing the question. To solve, we may consider functions of sin x cos x that is equal to 1 plus cosec x. Then the process is express sin x in terms of 2 tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x and express cos x that is equal to 1 minus tan square x by 2. Then substitute, let y is equal to tan by 2 and proceed. Also we may use the process integration by parts. Root over 1 plus cosec x first function, 1 should be considered as a second function. Also that means we will express in simplified form and substitute such that we can integrate. So first try to simplify, that is equal to trying first 1 plus 1 by sin x. As we know, cosec x is equal to 1 by sin x. That means cosec and sin x are mutually reciprocal. So now adding, that is equal to integration the root. First rationalizing the numerator, that means root over sin x plus 1 or 1 plus sin x. Thinking about 1 plus sin x multiplying numerator and denominator or multiplying by 1 minus sin x dx. Numerator will be 1 plus sin x into 1 minus sin x, a plus b into a minus b, multiply and will be 1 minus sin square x denominator writing as it is. That is equal to cos x by under root or written cos x as over 1 minus sin square x, that is equal to root over cos square x, that is equal to removing the root of equal sin cos x. So it is written here and dx writing. Now see, denominator functions of sin x, numerator functions of cos x, and in the numerator only cos x. So if we substitute sin x is equal to y, then after differentiation we will get cos x. So let y is equal to sin x. Differentiating both sides, with respect to x. What we get? Dy dx that is equal to cos x. Differentiation of sin x cos x after by cross multiplication dy is equal to cos x dx. Now substitute in original integration. The integration is this. Here dx is not written. So right now integration cos x dx is equal to dy by what is here under root sin x 1 minus sin x, that means y 1 minus y. So under root y into 1 minus y. Now integration simplify this, that means multiply y minus y square. Now we will try to write y minus y square in the form of sum or difference of two terms. That means we are doing y minus y square. To show first writing common, first taking common y square minus y. Now to write difference or express this, setting here third bracket, y here is minus half square minus this is 1 by 2 square. Because if we simplify this, y square minus y plus 1 by 4, here y is 1 by 4 will be cancelled out. So this may be reduced dy by, now taking inside minus, so half minus y minus half that of square. That is the formula. Integration dx by over a square minus x square. Formula is sin inverse x by a plus c. This is formula. So using this formula, what we can write? You may compare with this formula. A means half, x square means y minus half, sin inverse x means y minus half by a means half plus c square. C is integrating constant. Now what is y? Y is sin x. Now substitute or put sin inverse, or simplify y minus 1 by 2 half. After more simplification, sin inverse 2 will get cancelled, y minus 1 plus c. Now put y is equal to sin x. The answer will be sin inverse sin x minus 1 plus c. Therefore Sin inverse sin x minus 1 plus t. So question is solved. If you feel any problem to understand this problem, you write comment section. If you have learned something from this, you must share your friends such that they can learn something. Thank you.